Storage is a vital component within every organization, and storage administrators have the responsibility to ensure it's optimized to serve the business. For these teams, it's not uncommon for a support ticket to be raised stating that the storage is slow. When intermittent performance issues like this arise, it's often difficult to determine the cause. Not anymore. Progress Flowmon, with its network performance monitoring and network detection and response capabilities, provides storage administrators the necessary visibility into the traffic flows to identify where the issues reside. No more pointing fingers between storage, network, infrastructure, and application teams. Progress Flowmon provides a clear picture of the situation to effectively address the problem. In this example, there's a 3-node ECS environment that's leveraging the Progress ECS Connection Manager to provide the necessary load balancing for the storage. A Flowmon Collector is deployed, and with the ECS Connection Manager's network telemetry capabilities, all communication to the storage that's sent through the Connection Manager is captured for analysis. Going into the Flowmon dashboards, custom dashboards can be created to provide detailed metrics that are important to you. Although there's lots to unpack here from a value and visibility standpoint, for this demonstration, I'd like to focus on these top widgets. With these widgets, you can visualize the baseline of the performance on both the application side, the traffic between the systems accessing the storage and the load balancer, and here on the storage side, we can see the performance between the load balancer and the storage nodes themselves. In this environment, it's been determined that a round trip time metric should not exceed 100 milliseconds in order to ensure optimal performance. Looking at the last hour, the environment is behaving nicely with a round trip time of about 3 milliseconds across all the applications accessing the storage. In this demo environment, we only have 4 systems, but of course this can scale to hundreds of systems that require access to the storage. And on the storage side, we're seeing under 30 milliseconds for the max round trip time over the last 2 hours, and the option to expand out further as far back as 3 months. Both sides are far below the 100 milliseconds threshold. Moments later, an email alert is sent to the storage admins, highlighting a problem with the system accessing the storage. By the details of the alert, the issue is traffic between the applications and the ECS Connection Manager. A system is showing signs of a performance issue with a very high max round trip time of over 740 milliseconds. From within the email, we can launch into Flowmon and are sent to the triggered alert. From here, we can jump into analysis to get more details on what is happening. Simply select the profile Dell ECS Applications to ECS Connection Manager. We'll select the most current data within the traffic graph, and within the sort by, select Max Round Trip Time, and click Process. And clearly, we see the delay is between the Media O2 system and the ECS Connection Manager. All other applications are behaving as expected, so it's unlikely that this is a storage or network issue. Before the media team can open a support ticket that the storage is slow, the storage team can contact the application owner to inform them of the issue. With the use of Progress Flowmon, along with Progress ECS Connection Manager, storage teams can now be more proactive and get the necessary visibility to determine whether the performance issue is on the systems accessing the storage, the network, or the storage itself.